right, you guys, great to see you. Thanks so much for coming by. We're on the corner of Mission Ventura Avenue and right in front of Singing Sun, where all the changes are taking place. This environment, this neighborhood is literally on fire in a good way, where it's getting the credibility that many of us had the foresight. Owners of Muni Wine, owners of Singing Sun saw this happening, and this is one of the most desirable places and affordable to live in all of Southern California. We are within a mile from the beach. There's a brand new beach retreat where they groomed the sand by the fairgrounds. There's a brand new skate park right down the street from Mission, only 5 houses, only 5 minutes from where we're going to show. And there is also walking distance to downtown. So this Spanish style home is really what everyone's looking for in this neighborhood. Most of these are 2-1s, but this one's got a lot of extra. They've done some updates like a new tile, standing shower and tub, new flooring, paint, some ceiling fans. They also added a roof to this home, which is really good for homes built in the 1920s. You want to see that they're being well maintained. This one has a newer roof. They did new countertop and cabinets along the left side. They kept some of the traditional features on the right. You're going to want to add a fridge, a stove, and a vent. But what's really cool about this particular house is that through this corridor, you've got a little washroom area here, and then you've got this additional room or study. It could potentially be, a bedroom. And then you've got a cute little outdoor area which separates it from the additional dwelling unit and or granny flat in the back. So that's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, really sweet, really incredible. And this home is going to be listed at $895. If you guys have any questions, Jeff Belzer and Associates at Live Sotheby's International Realty. And don't forget, on your way out after seeing the home, please check out Muni Wines. And this place is really special. It's right up the street as well. So come on in and check it out.
Yay, it's everybody!